Driving at the Farmfoods now, guys. As you can see, the car parking space is extremely limited. Managed to find a space here. Let's see if there's a 50% off sale then. What's happening then, Romas? How are we all doing? Thursday. 1 day left in work. Time check 15:07. I don't know if you can see, guys, but I'm just driving out of Farmfoods in Porth. Oops, get out of here. I thought they were having a 50% off sale, so I thought I'd brave it. And by the looks of it, I think half the Ronda is a 50% off sale too, because the car park is chock-a-block, guys. Even though half the car park is actually currently being extended at the moment, so there's a lot of building work going on, guys. I thought some older guy was just gonna barge me straight off the road, guys. I think everyone thinks it's a half-price sale, but the half-price sale is on the last day of trade-in, which I will put a link up to the poster. But yeah, guys, bit disappointed, but love Farmfoods. Just got some bits and bobs which I didn't think I'd need, but yeah, I was quite gullible and I thought there was a 50% off sale, so more fool me. I should have read the post. But there we go, guys. Like I said, Thursday already. Is it me or is it getting hotter, guys? Especially inside the car. Absolutely roasting. But very heavy day today. I think we can see that maybe is a shower on the way. So yeah, just one more day left in work, Romas. I think I'm going to get a plan on the weekend. I think I'm going to finish the Taft Trail this time. So last time was a good practice run, so I'm definitely going on the Taft Trail. And maybe on Sunday, somebody give me a good idea of trying to find the source of the Ronda Tunnel. Obviously I've looked online and things, seen on Facebook the fantastic things they're doing to try and raise money and things, but I've never personally seen the start of the Taft Ronda Tunnel from the Ronda side, so I think I'm going to give that a go on Sunday. I think it's either blind com or blind Ronda, so I'll find out. If you can give me any pointers, guys, that would be much appreciated, but I'll do a bit of research first. So I'll do a little video, try and find the source of the Ronda Tunnel. So this is one of those days, guys, which I'm going to take the slight detour home, like I say I do every now and again, just to break it up, even though it's not a massive journey. So just have a little drive through Tonypandy. Nice to see how busy it gets through the week. Tomorrow is market day, so there shouldn't be any problem going through it today. So that's what I'll do. So I'll take a left here, take a right here, and let's have a little drive through Tonypandy, guys. I'm still fascinated by what they're going to make on this, or perplexed, not fascinated. Anybody know what they're building on the right hand side here, guys? It does say Beacon Cymru. Let me have a look on this sign. No, I can't make it out actually. But yeah, is there offices? Is it flats? Is it both? Is it shops? Anybody know, guys? Oh, remember years ago, guys, Four Seasons Sport Shop on the left hand side, but that just came into my head then. So here we go, guys. I always get caught on a red light here. Let's see how busy Tonypandy is today. That's what I said, I like to have a little drive through every now and again, just breaks up the journey home. And I always have fond memories of Tonypandy years ago. Used to come here shopping, quick save, wishing well. I even was a 50 pence shop, believe it or not, where we have a pound shop these days, guys. It was a 50 pence shop on the left hand side. I remember Traffic lights. Anybody remember traffic lights? The car shop on the left hand side there, and there was a big store here, something like that, Tompkins or Tom, I don't know. But yeah, do you think Tonypandy was busy today, guys? Let's carry on through. No, it's nice to see how high street's doing well, guys. I wish it all the best on every high street in the Rhondda. I know they're doing a lot of development work, redevelopment in Pontypridd, and it's looking stunning, to be fair. Remember Steve's Barbers on the right hand side by you guys? I used to come and have my hair cut there myself years ago, many moons ago. But there we go, guys. Little drive through Tonypandy for you. Little trip to Farmfoods. Bit of a waste of time. Not a waste of time. I did get some things, all good, and wish them all the best as well with the extension. Like, so I'll be there on the last day, I suppose, getting everything half price now. So at least I know, guys, there's not a half price sale in Farmfoods. So enjoy the rest of the day, guys.